Hi, welcome to the Elai tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create your custom template to make your content even more personalized. Let's dive in. Click on the Create Template button on the Templates page. You can either start from scratch or choose from our pre-existing library of templates and edit them to your preference. Select the template ratio that best suits your needs and then click on Create Template. Make tweaks to the template and hit Publish once you're happy with the results. All your published templates can be found in the My Templates section with the necessary information like date, tags, or type of template. Simply select the ready template from the Templates section to create a video, or on the main screen create a video from the desired custom template from the My Templates section. Voila! That's it for now. We hope you're now better equipped to personalize your content with Elai. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with our team at any time.